Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'd like to talk about secure institutional custody and premium cryptocurrency services from Caleb and Brown. Now, I've been involved in crypto self-custody since 2013. I've been running this YouTube channel since 2017 and focusing on crypto self-custody education. I am a strong proponent of self-custody. Not your keys, not your crypto has always been my motto. However, over the years, I have encountered several individuals that have lost crypto due to seed phrase mismanagement. Whether it was losing their seed phrase, writing their seed phrase down incorrectly, or being tricked by a scammer into revealing their seed phrase, the end result was always the same. They lost crypto. After a heartbreaking loss like this, the not your keys, not your crypto mantra rings a bit hollow. So I've grudgingly come to the conclusion that self-custody is not for everyone. If you struggle with technology, if you have trouble managing your passwords and PINs, if you're misplacing important documents in your life, crypto self-custody might not be for you. You might need a little extra help. While storing cryptocurrency on a reputable mainstream cryptocurrency exchange is an alternative, many people need additional assistance. That's why I resonate with what Caleb and Brown are doing. With Caleb and Brown, you get a tailored premium service that caters to beginners and experienced investors alike. With Caleb and Brown, you get a dedicated broker that you can contact anytime that can keep you up to date on all of the latest crypto trends and news. They can facilitate the seamless sale and withdrawal of your fiat currency into your nominated bank account with no withdrawal fees or limits. They also provide access to over 350 cryptocurrencies for sale and trade. And they ensure optimal trading rates by maintaining multiple liquidity pools. Your assets are secured in their institutional-grade cold storage solutions. Plus, you can reach out to your broker whenever you need, as often as you need, with no additional charges. I've heard excellent things about Caleb and Brown, and I was impressed by their selectivity in choosing ambassadors and their commitment to personalized service, education, and consumer protection. They value my reputation as an objective crypto educator focusing on self-custody, and I appreciate their approach to crypto investing. Now, if you just need a little bit of help with self-custody, I'm here for you. My channel is here for you. I have over 1,000 videos on self-custody, whether it's setting up wallets, restoring wallets, transferring crypto. I've got you covered. But if you need a little extra leg up, I can't be there for everyone all the time like a specialized firm like Caleb and Brown. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the setup of a Caleb and Brown account so that you can see how it works and how easy it is. You're going to need to go through KYC because they have to abide by global financial regulations. So we will have to give them our personal information. This is a little bit of a trade-off when it comes to privacy and cypherpunk philosophy. But as I said, crypto self-custody is not for everyone. So let's dive in and get ourselves set up with a Caleb and Brown account. All right, so I'm here on the Caleb and Brown landing page. As you can see, they offer 24/7 human support. And they've been around since 2016, working with people to help them manage their cryptocurrency. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up for an account. Okay, you'll of course need your personal information, set up a password. So we'll need to choose our country here. All right, so I'll go ahead and check my email. All right, they just sent me an email. And that was really easy. In order to actually use the account, we will need to verify. So that's going to require some personal documents, some KYC, of course. I'm going to agree to some terms here. And they're using Onfido, which is a third-party verification service. I've had experience with this before. They are going to need some biometrics, so they're going to want to take a selfie. So I'll go ahead and have them send me the link on my phone. So we'll go ahead and click Get Secure Link, and I'll scan this with my phone. All right, and it needs access to my camera. We'll choose our country, and I'll go ahead and choose my driver's license. I would assume most driver's licenses work. So that was pretty easy for me. And it wants the back of my driver's license. All right, and they're going to want me to record a short video of me turning my head back and forth. So we can do that. Pretty easy. All right. All right, I'm going to use an individual account. Keep in mind that over on in other parts of the world that they want the day first, not the month. It's just pretty obvious from the interface here. So for the address verification directly with Caleb and Brown, you can use your driver's license if you feel comfortable, or if you'd rather, you could use a utility bill that came within the last 90 days. A lot of us get our utility bills online, so it's pretty easy to download a PDF of your current bill. I've already got my driver's license scanned, so I'm just going to go ahead and use that. Just drop it here. All right, and then we'll go to the next step. Fill in your personal information here. Okay, got everything filled out there. All right, so they'll review that information and then get back to me, and we'll move forward from there. But that's the quick and easy setup. It didn't take me very long. I guess the hardest part would be scanning proof of residency, like a PDF bill, or scanning your driver's license. The identity verification was quick and easy on my phone, and they just asked me some pretty standard questions, and I got through it pretty quick. So, of course, I'll follow up with some videos on doing some basic operations, like depositing or withdrawing crypto and maybe swapping crypto, and talk about some of their customer service features. So if you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments, and I'll do my best to get them answered.